There's no rain in sight. I don't care what you think. Look outside. There's no rain. But, oh, 90% chance of rain, it's going to rain. It's not going to rain. Southern California is a desert. If you don't believe me, go back 80 years and look at some photographs of California coast way back when. There isn't any. It's a desert. There's no trees. Trees were planted much, much later. And then they're sitting around saying, oh, it's going to rain, bro. It's not going to rain. Let me take a look out here. Not a drop in sight. Now people will tell you, oh no, it's raining hard. Well, it's not raining hard. It's hardly raining. And not even raining hard at all. Maybe tomorrow it'll rain. But it's not raining now. And they got this guy out here in California. His name is Dallas Raines. And he said, Dallas Raines says it's rain. Oh, no. We're looking what now? 126 is 2 minutes. We could run this thing down. 3 times 6 is 180. I'll run this thing for 3 minutes and then do whatever I'm going to do to get it on the blog. I love that blog. And everybody down here loves this blog. Okay, we're at 56, 57, 9, 0.